In this video, I'll show you how to see archived chats in Chatgpt. Let's get started. First, I'm already logged into my Chatgpt account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in now. Let's say I want to archive a chat. Click on three dots. Now, you can see archive option. Click on it and your chat will archived. Now, let's see how to find your archived chats. Click on Profile at top right corner. Click on Settings. In the Settings window, you will see some tabs. Make sure you are in the General tab. Look for Archived Chats. Next to it, you will see a Manage button. Click on it. Now you can see all your archived chats. If you move your mouse over a chat, you will see two options. One is to unarchive the chat. The other is to delete the chat. Click on Archive if you want to bring the chat back. Click Delete if you want to remove it. If you click Delete, it will ask you to confirm. Click Delete again, and the chat will be removed. That's it. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.